Right, so far in our CV, we can only add one experience, but perhaps you have more than one experience. So how do we keep on adding more experiences until we tell the program that we are done and we don't have more experiences? Well, we've learned about while loops before. Now let's use it. So here I'm going to add another comment and I'm going to say more and then experiences, and it should be experiences. And now I'm going to say while and then true. So here, while true, we're going to do something. So I'm going to say more and then experiences, or actually has, and then more experiences with an E and N equals to, and then input. So we're going to ask the user whether he or she has more experiences. So here, let me put this on a new line and let me just close this CV here. So here I'm going to say, do you have more experiences? And then question mark, yes or, and then no, just like that. So now we have this variable that will contain yes or no. So what we want to do is to grab the response. So we're going to say if, and then we want to lower the response. So we're going to say has, if, and then has more experiences equals to, and then yes, we want to do something in here. So what we want to do is the exact same thing that we've done in here. So with work experience. So grab everything apart from the heading, right? So from here, so this paragraph, and then scroll down all the way to more experiences and actually select everything, right? So from line 28, so basically don't include the heading, right? And then all the way down to where we add the details. So we're going to grab all of that. So copy that, and then in here, paste that in. And what we're going to do is actually indent this. So this has to be inside of this if statement right here. And to be honest, this is everything. But we have one issue here, right? So currently this program will keep on asking us questions forever, right? But we don't want that. So what we want to do is to say, right, if the answer is not equals to yes, we're going to say else, right? If it's anything but anything other than yes, we're going to break out of the while loop. So remember, the while loop keeps on looping forever, right? But by saying else, we're going to come out of the loop. So here, while true, right? Remember, while true, keep on looping. So if the answer is yes, we want to ask the same questions. Otherwise, we want to break out of this loop. So one more thing is that in here, so the user might reply yes, like that, or yes, like that. So to make sure that the user replies in the correct order, let's take the input and then say dot and then lower, or actually lower like that. And you've seen this, and we have to invoke the function. And this is everything. So now let's go ahead and run the program. So what's your name? And then number, and then hello at Gmail at Amigoscode.com, and then tell about yourself, or actually tell us, it should be tell us about yourself, but it's fine. So here, let's say I love coding, and then enter company. Let's say Amigos. Let's say Intuit, and then Quick Books, and then enter. And then from date, let's say since 26, oops. So let me delete that. So 20 and then 16 to 20 and then let's say 19, and then experience, social media expert, enter, and then check this out. Now we have, do you have more experiences? Yes or no. Now let's say yes, and you can see that we have enter company, right? So it's asking me the same question. So here I'm going to say Amigos and then code, and then from 2019 to date, so we're going to say present, enter, and then here enter, or actually describe your experience, programmer, something like that, enter. And again, do you have more experiences? Yes or no. Let's say no, enter, and you can see that the program has finished. And if I close this, let's open up the CV and check this out. So here you can see that we have work experience, and then Intuit QuickBooks, the date, so from to social media expert, Amigoscode 2019 present, and programmer. So there you have it. You see that the CV is actually taking shape. So let me just close this. So one thing here that I forgot was to, so I think somewhere around here. So yeah, so we need a space in here. And also in here, so describe experience details, we need a space there. So plus, and then space, just like that. And there you have it. So congratulations, you are building an awesome CV. Let me show you again. And hopefully this is just the beginning. Next, I want to give you an exercise so that you can test your knowledge.